Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to group a picture and text box in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Excel workbook. Then go to the insert menu. Select the picture drop down menu. Select this device. Then choose image from your file and click insert. Then resize the image. Now we go back again the insert menu, select the text box and draw a text box to this sheet, then write or paste any text. Now I am paste some text, paste Ctrl V on our keyboard, then select the text, then go back the home menu and increase the font size. Then select the multiple object, press and hold the shift on our keyboard. Then go to the picture format, shape format menu, select group drop down menu and make it group. Now we move anywhere, otherwise you can resize the multiple object anywhere. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.